Good morning and welcome to the weekend vlog. Now luckily it's nice weather outside today, so I'm going to go and get the grass cut first thing before I do anything else. I'm going to let Molly out in the garden just before I do the lawn, and she can at least do what she needs to do out there. She can actually be out there while I'm cutting the lawn. But yeah, I'm going to go and get that done, and then I'll be back. I'm just going to go and do it. I'm not going to do any time lapse or anything of it, just because I want to get it done. And I think the wind's picking up a bit, so yeah, I'm just going to go and get the lawn done and then I'll be back. So that's the lawn all cut. Got down there, found these little baby pigeons falling out of the tree, so I had to move that and out of the way of Molly, because Molly was barking at it and it was getting a bit scared, so I've put it sort of behind a plant pot so Molly can't get to it and the cat can't get to it, and hopefully the parent will come down and find it and help it. But if it's still there later on, I'll probably call always piecing it. Where is it? The animal charity that helps. And also hopefully the mother will find it and help it. If not, I'll have to call them and send it off with them. But yeah, quite hot now after doing all that mowing. Molly is down here. She's all hot and everything. It looks quite warm. And just as I finished, it sort of like chucked it down a range for about a minute, but then stopped. Perfect weather again. So this weather is like, doesn't know what it's doing. But anyway, it's 2 o'clock. I'm going to watch a bit of YouTube, I think, and chill out a little bit as it's Saturday. So it's now 3:15. Mum just texted me to go down for a break. So we're going to head down there now, have a little bit of a break, and then come back up. It's still quite warm, I think. Molly is waiting for me on the stairs, but let's go in the garden for a bit. So it's now 5:03. Gonna go and head down, start doing dinner. I think what are we having tonight? Pizza, I think. I'm just gonna do pizza, garlic bread, something like that. Anyway, let's go do dinner. So just got down here to do dinner. Molly's in the garden. We've got a bit of an issue with the washing machine, so that's out in the middle of the kitchen. As you can see here, we've had like water coming out of the thing just down here. So we're just doing like a run just to test it. Hopefully it's going to be alright now. No more issue, because it doesn't plumb in properly at the back. It just sits in. I don't know if you can see it just there. It just sits into that hole. There isn't really anything. I think there should be something over the top holding it in, so that when it shakes about from the maneuverability of the how the washing machine shakes from it being used, I think there should be something holding that in. Because I mean, there's a bit of vibration to it now, and yeah, I don't really understand it really, but I think there should be like a clamp that tightens it around the thing to hold that outlet into that pipe. But I think with the landlords here, they're a bit cheap, so they cut corners a bit with things. So yeah, that's one of the issues we've had. But yeah, anyway, got pizzas here. So I'm going to do garlic flatbread, and then our usual margarita and meat feast, and then I'm going to have this, can't see very well there, I'm going to have this mixed fruit tropical Copperberg instead of cider, not cider, that is cider, instead of whiskey and coke today. So yeah, oven's heating up, oven's heated up, so make sure that's right. Put the pizza in and then get on. Oh, so the pizza's ready, it's just over here, looking good. We've got the cheese one, meat feast one, garlic bread, and then a little bit of barbecue sauce just there, so that's looking good for dinner. Now I've got my mixed fruit tropical cider just here, quite nice actually. So I've got that, and yeah, I'm going to go and eat this pizza, and hopefully after we've done this test run on the washing machine, everything's going to be alright and we can put it back in and it'll be alright. Pops out the pipe thing again. But anyway, I'm going to go and eat dinner. Wow, that pizza was good. Got a chocolate trifle thing now. I'm going to have that, watch a bit of YouTube for a bit, and then go and check the washing machine, make sure that's all alright. We're still on that test run, just to make sure no water comes out of that pipe. If there's no leakage on the floor when I get back down there, perfect. I'll put the I'll push the washing machine back in, and hopefully that'll be alright till it pops out again. It pops out as like a couple once or twice a year. So hopefully we can get it sorted and everything. Then after the big change, hopefully we won't have that problem. But anyway, I'm going to watch some YouTube. So just come down from the office, been watching a bit of YouTube and that up there. Molly! Oh, Molly barking at everyone. Don't know if I show you the lawn since I got it cut. Got it cut earlier this morning. Looking loads better. There's Molly. Let me see if that pigeon is still over there. He's gone. Come on. No, it's definitely gone from down there. Either the mother came and got it, or it's moved. But the pigeon's definitely out there now. Anyway, I need to wash up. This is still not fixed, so we're having to leave that in the middle of the kitchen for tonight because it's not fixed at all. So but anyway, I need to get on with all this. Make sure all this is done, And then once all that's done, I can go watch a movie. I don't think there's anything else to watch. I'll probably watch an episode of Top Gear before I start watching the movie. But yeah, I need to get on with that. I think it's now, yeah, it's 9:45. I'm going to go and watch a movie now. I think I've got all my jobs done. But like I said, washing machine is still leaking. But I just spoken to my mum and she seems to think she's figured out what it is. Because it wasn't that pipe's in perfectly. Apparently the thread has come loose on one of the U-bend things. So she knows what she's looking at. So I'll let her do it and then I'll just help her in the morning. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go watch a movie. Not too sure what I'm going to watch yet, but we'll have a look and see what there is. I think that new Rowan Atkinson, Mr. Bean film is on Man vs. Bee. I might see if I can watch that, I'm not sure yet, but we'll have a look and see what's on Netflix. So it's now 1:15 in the morning, Sunday morning. I'll start tomorrow's vlog probably once I actually wake up after having a sleep and everything. But yeah, it's like early hours of Sunday morning now. But I'm going to take Molly in the garden and then go to bed. I think everything's off in here, just the main light now. But I'm going to take Molly in the garden. Put this light on. Take Molly in the garden and then go up to bed. And then I'll continue the vlog in the morning. So, see you in the morning, guys. Hello and welcome to the Sunday part of the vlog. Molly, come around here. Molly's just here. I'm going to take her in the garden quickly now. And then see where the day goes from there. See how this washing machine is. Because Mum thinks she knows what it is now. So hopefully she's figured it out, sorted it out, done another test run. And we're going to push it back in under the kitchen unit. So I'm going to go and have a look at that now. And we'll be back in a minute. So still not much luck on the washing machine. I'm going to have to get a plumber in, I think, to sort it. It's usually that pipe from the back of the washing machine, the outlet pipe, has popped out of the pipe that it goes down to get to the drain. Not too sure why it's popped out again, but then it happens every 6 months or every couple of years usually. But it's because these landlords are they're a bit cheapskatey. The hatch to the loft, when we first moved in, it was sort of like it laid the lid laid on the rim, like the trim that's hiding all the woodwork. It was sat on that, and that got fixed only when it fell on our cleaner. Luckily she didn't sue or anything, but yeah, that broke then, and then they fitted it properly, and then this. But yeah, hopefully it'll get sorted soon. Well, it needs to be. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube now and relax a bit after trying to sort that out. But yeah, anyway, I'm watching YouTube. As you can see, the washing machine is still out of its place, and then we've got towels and everything down here. I need to let Molly outside. And we want whiskies tonight, so I need to sort them out. But yeah, this is basically what it's like at the minute. All out on its thing. Not good. Good once we've got it sorted. But anyway, let's get some whiskies made. So dinner's ready. Just a bit of salad really tonight. And here's mine. We've got ham, beef, chicken, what is it? Giant couscous and feta cheese salad. It's got chickpeas in that, so I don't think we'll have that much. Got a bit of sushi, salad, and then ciabatta bread roll to go with it as well. And as you can hear, this little one is being a bit of a naughty bug. You need to calm down. Go in the garden. Go on then. Right, so I'm going to go and eat my dinner. Wow, so it's now 40 minutes past 7. There's Glastonbury on telly at the minute. I think it's Diana Ross. Or yeah, it's Diana Ross, I think. Performing. I think the entire show of this episode of Glastonbury is Diana Ross's performances and just her, like her whole set, which I think is going out live. I think it's live on the telly now. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to let Molly in the garden quickly. I just need to let her off her house lead, because we always keep her on that around this sort of time. Down here, can't really let anybody come to the door, we can get her easier. The washing machine's still being a pain in the backside. It's just there, can't really put it away. And then we've got towels and everything down here still. Towels and bits. As you can see, it doesn't really connect properly in there, so it keeps popping out every time it. We think there's a bit of a blockage down in the pipe, and we don't really know how to take it off, so we have to get a plumber in to do it. Let's go and quickly see what Molly's up to. What are the chances she's on that wall again? Oh no, she's up on the lawn today. She's up on the lawn. I think I'd have startled her. She jumped up. But yeah, she's up there now. Smelling around a bit. But yeah, I think there's an episode of Top Gear tonight. I don't know if it's on the other channel. I think this is the BBC that this is on at the minute. And then I think Top Gear goes out on BBC 2. So well, this is on BBC 2 and Top Gear's on BBC 1. I'm not sure, but I record it anyway, so I'll be able to watch the recording. But yeah, don't think I'm going to be doing much else other than that tonight, especially nothing to really vlog. So I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I've got my laptop set up, so once Top Gear's finished, I can get on with the editing. That's all just there, all done. So yeah, I think, is that a plane? One flew out over the other day, and it was quite low. Can't see anything. I think it's over the houses over there, and I can't see it. But yeah, anyway, like I said, don't think there's much else I'm going to vlog, to vlog tonight. So I'm going to end today's video here, well, the weekend vlog here. So don't forget, if you like the weekend vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.